When it comes to maximizing savings at favepay Mall, knowing the best discount method can save you hundreds of dollars annually. favepay Mall offers a range of promotions, cashback options, and voucher systems that can stack together to provide the most value. The first step is understanding favepay credits and how they work. Every transaction made through the app earns credits, which can be redeemed directly for discounts on future purchases. These credits are applied automatically at checkout, effectively reducing the total amount payable in dollars. Another key approach is leveraging seasonal and flash sales. favepay Mall frequently launches time-limited promotions that can offer discounts of up to 50% on select products or services. Combining these sales with available favepay credits multiplies your savings. For example, a $100 gadget purchase during a 30% flash sale could cost only $70, and applying $10 worth of favepay credits brings the final price down to $60. Stacking promo codes is another powerful method. favepay often partners with merchants to provide exclusive discount codes. These codes can be entered at checkout in addition to applying your credits. Some codes are fixed dollar amounts, such as $5 off, while others are percentage-based, such as 20% off orders above $50. Strategic use of these codes on top of sale items can create significant savings on high-ticket items. Additionally, subscribing to favepay notifications ensures you are alerted to early bird discounts and member-only deals. These notifications often include limited quantity vouchers worth $10 or more, which can be redeemed alongside other discounts for maximum benefit. Finally, frequent use of favepay Mall ensures that your accumulated credits, cashback rewards, and promo codes can be combined effectively. Over time, consistent usage can result in savings of several $100s per year without additional effort. Following these methods guarantees you get the most out of every dollar spent at favepay Mall.